You're working smarter with Claude MCP, but scheduling with Google Calendar. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At MESA, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a Claude summary mentions a meeting or a deadline, create a matching event in Google Calendar. Or turn Claude task lists into scheduled time blocks on Google Calendar to stay organized. Or even schedule follow-up reminders in Google Calendar based on Claude's conversation notes. MESA has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Claude and Google Calendar, make it happen with MESA. Get started today for free.